In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Skype contacts. Whether you're looking to back up your contact list or transfer it to another platform, exporting your Skype contacts is a useful skill to have. We're going to walk you through the process step by step so you can easily follow along. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Skype website. Once you're there, you'll see an option to open Skype in browser. Go ahead and click on that. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to sign in using your Skype account credentials. Make sure you have your username and password handy to complete the sign-in process smoothly. Now that you're signed into Skype, look towards the top left corner of the screen where you'll find 3 dots or a More Options menu. Clicking on these 3 dots will open up a new array of options for you to explore. However, our focus is on one particular option, so don't get too lost in the possibilities. After you've clicked on the 3 dots, locate and select the Settings option. This is where you can adjust various aspects of your Skype usage, but for the purpose of exporting contacts, we're going to dive a bit deeper. Inside Settings, you'll see an option labelled Your Profile. Click on this to proceed. It might feel like we're moving away from our goal, but bear with me, this step is crucial for accessing the area where you can export contacts. Once you're viewing your profile, you'll notice a back arrow somewhere on the page. Clicking on this arrow is like hitting the rewind button, but instead of going back in time, you're moving closer to extracting your valuable contact data. You're almost there. After clicking the back arrow, you'll be presented with a few more options. Look for one that says Export Caller ID Numbers, .csv, and click on it. The .csv format is versatile and can be imported into many platforms, making it perfect for backing up or moving your contacts. Once you click on it, the exporting process will begin, and in no time you'll have a CSV file with all your Skype contacts saved on your computer. This file can be accessed and manipulated with most spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, allowing you to view and manage your contacts outside of Skype. And that, my friends, wraps up our tutorial on how to export Skype contacts. It might seem a bit daunting at first with several steps to follow, but once you get the hang of it, it's a straightforward process. Remember, backing up important data like contacts is always a wise move, and now you're equipped to do just that with your Skype contacts. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this tutorial helpful.